So, girls wear a pawada in Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. A pawada is a long skirt worn with the blouse, sometimes a half saris, which is half the size of a sari, is worn along with it. Okay. Women also wear a variety of accessories and jewelry made of gold, silver, shell, ivory, and pearls, etc. Okay, all of you know women wear varieties of accessories, jewelries, whether it is made of gold, silver, shell, or pearls. Okay, nowadays many girls and women in India wear western clothes like t-shirts, shirts, trousers, jeans, and skirts. Nowadays many girls and women in India wear western clothes like t-shirts, shirts, trousers, jeans, and skirts. Okay, now clothes of men. Men in India mostly wear shirts and trousers. You can see men in mostly India wear trousers and shirts. Men in villages are more comfortable in traditional clothes like kurta, lungi, dhoti, pajama. In village, men prefer to wear kurta, lungi, dhoti, and pajama. The lungi originated in the south. In South India, men wears lungi. Okay, it is a long rectangular multicolored cloth worn around the waist. A dhoti is pulled up between the legs and tucked up. Men wear, you can see in this picture also, a man wearing patta and dhoti. Okay, a dhoti is pulled up between the legs and tucked up. Men wear shirts, t-shirts, etc. over the dhoti. You can see in first picture a man is wearing shirt and lungi. Second, a man is wearing kurta pajama, and in third wearing patta and dhoti. Dhoti is called vesti in Tamil Nadu and mandu in Kerala. Men in West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala carry a cloth on their shoulder called patta. In Tamil Nadu and Kerala, the dress which is wear dhoti, it is called vesti in Tamil Nadu and mandu in Kerala. And in West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, they carry a cloth on the shoulder called patta. Okay, you can see they carry a cloth that is called patta. Men in Punjab, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, etc., tie a very long piece of cloth on their head as a turban or wear a cap. Now you can see men also cover their head. They cover their head with a turban or wear a cap. Turban or a headgear is also called by different names such as pagdi, patka, safa, etc. Okay, you can see turban is wear in Punjab and turban of Rajasthan is of different style. Turban of Gujarat is of different style, and in Himachal men like to wear cap. Their cap is special design. Okay, you can see in this picture the varieties of turbans that men wear on their head. Okay, Sherwani is worn in Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh, and Hyderabad. It is called Jodhpuri in Rajasthan. Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh, and Hyderabad, men wear sherwani. Okay, you can see in this picture A man is wearing a sherwani. And in Rajasthan, this dress is called Jodhpuri. Okay, the dress of sherwani is called in Rajasthan Jodhpuri. The tribal women of northeast India wear handloom skirts, shawls, and scarves. Tribal women, what they wear? They wear handloom skirts, shawls, and scarves. Each tribe has its own special design. The tribal people weave their own clothes. They weave their own clothes and they wear it. Some dresses from India are very famous. You know, some dresses of India is very famous. You are living in Banaras, so you know Banarsi sari is very famous here, है ना? In Lucknow, chicken work is famous, and in Kashmir, pashmina shawls are famous. In Punjab, Patiala salwar is famous. So you can know that there are some dresses from India are very famous. The saris of Banaras, the chikankari embroidery work of Lucknow, the pashmina shawls of Kashmir, and the Patiala salwar of Punjab are worn all over the world. You can see there are different varieties of clothes which are there in India. Okay, now read this chapter again and again.